If you're even thinking about using Plus AI for PowerPoint, there are 7 crucial things you need to know first. And the last one might actually change how you build presentations forever. Stick around, because this just released AI software is already turning heads in the productivity space. You can try Plus AI for PowerPoint completely free from the first link in the description. And coming up, I'll show you how it handles slide generation better than anything I've seen, but also where it still needs work. Let's dive in. Plus AI for PowerPoint is a brand new tool that brings real AI-generated slide creation natively into your PowerPoint workflow. No more exporting from third-party tools or forcing ChatGPT slides into a clunky template. This works inside PowerPoint, and that's a big deal. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice is how fast it builds decks. You just give it a topic, tone, and audience, and in about 30 seconds, you get a full, professional-looking presentation. That includes title slides, talking points, suggested visuals, and even footnotes, all editable in the PowerPoint format you're used to. Second, Plus AI doesn't just create text slides. It suggests layouts, charts, and visuals based on your prompt. That's where it starts to feel less like a shortcut and more like a co-creator. Third, if you're in marketing or sales like I am, this tool's tone control is impressive. You can generate slides with a persuasive voice, educational tone, or even investor pitch style, all tailored to your audience. That alone saves hours of tweaking. Fourth, Plus AI is surprisingly good at summarizing content. You can paste in a report, article, or transcript, and it turns it into a clean deck with bullet points that make sense. No fluff, no weird AI hallucinations. Fifth, collaboration. This is where things start getting interesting. It integrates with both Google Slides and PowerPoint, so you can start in one and finish in the other. That's a massive time saver for teams using mixed platforms. Sixth, the revision options are powerful. You can tell the AI to rewrite, simplify, expand, or add examples, right inside a single slide. It's not perfect, but it's good enough that you'll actually use it day to day. And finally, and this is big, Plus AI doesn't lock your content. You own your slides, your edits, and your formatting. Unlike some AI tools that feel like walled gardens, this one respects your workflow. So is it perfect? Not yet. There are still times when you'll need to tweak slide layouts or correct context. But for 90% of use cases, it's already saving pros hours per week, especially if you're building client decks, internal reports, or webinars. Again, you can try Plus AI for PowerPoint free from the first link below. No credit card needed. And if you're serious about using AI to save time, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description, after testing thousands of them across marketing, productivity, and automation. Let me know what you think of Plus AI, or if you find any hidden features I didn't cover. Catch you in the next one.